Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make an origami capybara. This is an easy model to make, and the only material you'll need is a square piece of paper. Our first step is to fold it in half. So, bring the right side to the left, and crease it very well. Unfold it. Now fold the right and left sides to the middle. Keeping it folded, fold it in half horizontally. Unfold it. And fold the bottom side to the middle. Unfold it again, then fold the bottom side to the last crease we made, unfold this one too. Now let's fold the two corners of this last section. Now fold this part up. Then turn it over. Fold the bottom side to the center, creating these two new diagonals. Start by folding the right half to the center. Then fold the left side the same way. Now pay close attention. Using the existing creases as a guide, we'll fold a new diagonal connecting this crease in the middle to this point down here, to the end of this diagonal. Do the same on the other side. Unfold it. For the next step, start by opening the right side a bit, then fold the paper along the diagonal we just made. Now make a crease on this part here, on the existing diagonal. Once that's done, we'll need to flatten the paper, folding this extra part behind the first layer. We have this result. Repeat the same on the other side, first folding on the existing diagonal, then creating a new crease. Next, just flatten everything. For the next step, turn the paper sideways. bring the edge on the right, under these corners on the left, and crease it really well. Turn the paper over. Now starting at the top, fold this extra corner here. Then fold the paper on the right, trying to make it even, folding about the same amount of paper. Now do the same thing at the bottom. For the next step, again starting at the top, fold the corners back up, leaving a small gap. Then fold this corner in the middle. And this is the result on this side. To make it easier, we can rotate the paper and repeat the same step with the other two corners. First fold them both up. Then fold the middle corner down. After that's done, fold the paper in half. To make the head, unfold this inner layer here, on this corner. Now for the final details, reverse this back corner, folding it inside. Do the same with this corner here. To make the ears, fold this corner along this line. Then open it from underneath. Then flatten the paper, shaping it a bit. Try to make the other side the same, first folding the corner. Then open it up and shaping the ear. As an optional detail, you can also try to reverse this corner here. It is important to do it carefully so you don't tear anything or ruin what you've already done. Finishing this, our origami is done. You can customize it a bit if you want, drawing some details, but this is the idea. I hope you liked this video, I hope you were able to make it. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time.